How's it going, everyone? I got to do a quick update on HOLO as a lot of these Chinese stocks that I'm watching are just getting hammered. HOLO is one of the unique ones. It's one of the ones that a lot of eyes are on, and my thesis was confirmed. I really thought we would break this support level right here at 55 cents, and we went right through it, and we're making a new low. So when we see this, a lot of the times you have two options. One, it can be a fake out and it just goes up from there, and recovers it just to get stop losses, or we can make just constantly new lows. What have as we have been seeing over and over again. So we have this one right here. We have this one right here. These things just keep getting broken and broken and broken. So we shouldn't be really surprised, especially when it's a downtrend stock. And you can just see, like, if anybody trades support and resistance, it can go down fast. But you could have a pattern like this where it breaks this support here and then comes shooting back up, right? And then it goes down. But you can still make massive money, like 32% on that one candle alone. So let me go over my strategy because I do things different from retail traders. I look at different types of patterns, different types of ways to trade, and it's a very consistent way to make money. So today we have hit, we opened at 52 cents, or not 52, 60 cents. The EMA 5 was at 59. So we did hit the EMA 5 right in here. We never buy at the EMA 5. You can very clearly see the EMA 5 is in the body of the candle. That's the purple band. I love using EMAs because you can get precise entries. You know where you can get in and get out. And this is just not really a trade because there was no range up on each candle to the EMA 5. Now, with this bigger body down, we have a little more wiggle room, right? We have a lot more wiggle room on how we can win this. So if you look at this body, we're clearly below the EMA 5. There's lots of room up now of range to hit that EMA 5 again. So yes, we don't have the time distance, but here's what I'm seeing here. If you look at the trend channel here, we're not at the ATR 4, which is this bottom band, which is the best alerts that I give. But we always want to look at the trend channel. What is going on and what's happening here? So as you can see, when we hit the bottom trend channel, we had massive move up right in here. Right in here was a nice move up, and it just went up and made massive returns. This is when I learned HOLO the last time. We got close to the bottom channel and we went up again. This is what's scary to me. We have lots of room down we can go, and it's even past the ATR 4, so I don't think we're going to hit the bottom trend channel again. That thing's sitting at 18 cents. It's possible it can, but I would like to see, man, this is just a really hard one. I'd like to see maybe just a lower K on the KDJ. Right here, we had a K of the bottom indicator, which is the line. We had an 8.48, and that's when it really started going up. So I want to see that at least. Like I said, the main thing to look for is the EMA 20. That's where you're going to make the big money, guys. The EMA 20 is at 604. It touched. The current data is at July 18th. So we have not touched 604 to 704, 704 to 804. We're getting close to those 2 months time frame. If we don't touch the EMA 20 in like 2 months, I will definitely take this trade. I just don't know how much longer we can go down. Since we did break a new low, I don't want to quite get this. Yes, it could go back and recover that low. I'm just a little hesitant, right? I want to see a lower K under 10 to make this, because you guys don't have to trade HOLO. I know that it's known for these massive pumps, but we got to be very conservative. We want to make the best trades to make constant money. If you guys are in my Discord, the high success rate I get is because I'm very patient. I don't have to play a lot of trades. Being a profitable trader is very hard in trading, and that's what we want to accomplish. So for HOLO, the biggest target we're looking for is the EMA 20. Once it hits that, we all need to get out, take your gains, and move on to the next trade. We have not hit the ATR 4 yet. There's, some massive room down. It could hit it. It very well could. We just hit the EMA 5, so let's give it a couple more days of time distance. Maybe we can get some more gap down. But as you can see, the last time we had this big move down from the EMA 5, we had this relief rally candle. It went up over, probably 5, 10, 5, 6%, something like this. And if you got from the lows, we had this nice big upper wick recovering. We could see that on here, We just don't know yet, right? So I want to be a little safe. I'm looking at the 5 minute. We have not touched the ATR4 on a lower time frame for a nice entry, but we'll see from there. But yeah, a lot of the Chinese stocks I'm watching are getting hammered today. The market's just it's just all right today, so we'll see how we go from there. I am still watching HOLO because obviously there's a lot of eyes on it. It has lots of volume. We're at 15 million volume today. We're averaging well over 10, so it's a nice one. The EMA 10 is sitting at 66 cents, so it is going to fluctuate. If you look at 66 cents from 52, so let's go up here. It's going to fluctuate, but if you get around there, I do like to look at, what kind of profit margin I'm looking at and how does the EMA 10 has been fluctuating, around 2-3 cents. So it's going to be about 63 cents tomorrow. So if we look at this and we have an average of 52, 0.63, you're looking at a 21% return based on the EMA 10. If you're looking at the EMA 20, it's at 83 cents. You're looking at a much higher, and you're looking at a 59% return to the EMA 20. And those are fantastic results. There's lots of room up to the EMA 20, so that's very nice. So obviously, if you got in where I was thinking about getting in, obviously you're going to be profitable. If you got in like where a lot of people are pumping and they had no idea what's going on, I've seen people pumping it in here, get caught up in this thing, and then it goes down. A lot of a lot of bag holders get pumped up in here. A lot of these candles that are massive green is where HOLO recruits new bag holders. But you got to realize once it hits EMA 20, the price is done. We're out of there and we move on. It goes down. It hits the EMA 20 here, it goes down. And you can see that, you just look at the patterns, what happens. Hits the EMA 10 and goes down. That is a normally that is a big resistance. EMA 10 and 20 are your resistance areas. Hits the 10 on the yellow, goes down. Hits the 10, goes down. And then if it hits it a lot of times, it can very well go up. And that's kind of what I'm looking for. I said right in here, we're going to hit the EMA 5 a couple times. We hit the 5 here, 5 rejection, 5 here, rejection. But eventually we're going to hit the 10 and reject on here too until we hit the 20. Absolutely, it can go straight up and hit the 10 and 20. I'm just playing conservative games because we looked at the calculator. There's a 59% return for the 20 and about a 20 to 30% for the EMA 10. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, you'll know when I get alerted. You'll know when I get notified to get in. I'm just looking for the best risk versus reward. I want you guys to be profitable. I don't want to just get in. It's got to be really an A+ setup because I'd rather you guys make money than bag holding. And the longer you hold a trade, the more you want to get out. And then when this finally pumps, you're going to be you're going to hate this stock so much that you're just going to get out, break even, or if that, right? Because if let's say you bought it at 80 cents, right up here, like past week, you're down a lot. Let's say you bought up in $1.60. This was like 2 or 3 weeks ago. And then heaven forbids, over $2 here, it gets worse and worse. The story gets worse. So we want to make sure, you follow the plan. Do this strategy, and I promise you guys will make lots of money. There's no guessing in trading. Anybody can do this strategy. We look for time distance. We look for close to the ATR4, and we look for the trend channel. If the trend channel shows a nice reversal, like right in here, we're penetrating it. We're respecting it. We had massive room up to the EMA 5, then this is where a nice area you can take, and you could have made massive returns as respected. We hit the 10. What happens? Goes down. We come back up, hit the 10. What happens? 10 acts as resistance, and it goes down. So one of these days, though, we're going to hit, I say we hit the 10 one more time, and then we go up to the 20. We've had plenty of rejections. Price has to go hit the EMA 20. No matter what time frame you look at, no matter what stock, you see all these big inflections, price goes down, and to a T, price will hit the 20. What happens when it hits the 20? It goes down. Now, does it have to go down? No. It doesn't have to. It can very well keep going up, just like this candle right here, which is what everyone's waiting for. But the problem is you might be waiting for a very long time, or if it happens like that. So just want to show you guys the strategy, HOLO. This is how I'm planning on trading it. I hope you guys do trade it like this. It's a very hard stock, but I really think I do like it. It has lots of volume. We're going to hit the EMA 20, and we showed you the stats. We're looking at a 59% return to the EMA 20. I don't know why you know, that is not even, that's insane returns if you get that. And it's been doing that consistently. These pumps, 32% on this one candle. I would love to take, you know, 10 to 20%. You know, I'm not greedy, and you know, this is a great return here. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, head on over to the link below in the YouTube comments or in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord. It'll be pinned. When you do that, it'll take you to this free chat landing page, which we have tons and tons of members, over 6,000, and we're just constantly and constantly growing because it's a really nice thing. Anybody can do this strategy. The main thing is you learn how to fish, you know how to trade. You don't have to just follow alerts. Yes, if you're busy, I will alert trades to your phone, but I want you guys to be confident in trading. So if you go to the top left of Server Shop, you'll see we offer Swing Trading or Day and Swing Trading Plus. Day and Swing Trading Plus is the best service for 12 bucks a month. You're not going to pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars to be a profitable trader. This is an over 95% win ratio. It's very nice, and you are guaranteed to be profitable because 9 times out of 10 this strategy works, and very rarely does it fail me, and it's been back tested, you know, ton and ton. I have an RTK journal to prove the results. So 12 bucks a month will unlock all these channels. It's very affordable, and if you do it on your computer, it is slightly cheaper than if you do it on your phone. So do remember that. But yeah, like I said, nothing to hide. I will even show you what we have done here in the past. I started recording the past month. As you can see, we have lots of trades, you know, that are constantly winning and winning and winning. The day trades are even better. They're faster wins. I legit hold these things for less than 10 minutes and got 24%. Holding this for a couple minutes, 15%, 7, 17, 18, 21, you know, and this goes on and on and on, and was able to, you know, if you have a hard time growing an account because you just don't have much money, this day trading is where it's at. You can make massive money. I started with $1,000 in the past couple weeks, and it's close to 4,000 now. And it's just been growing fast because the strategy works. And that's not to brag. I don't stay humble in the market. The market will do whatever it's want. It can take all your money away the minute you start thinking you're the best in the world. But it's more just to show you guys there are realistic results, and it is a profitable system. So that's the reason why I've been starting to show this, because a lot of people didn't believe me, and if you're in the Discord, you see the real-time results. So you'll get alerts on your phone. Day trade, we have the day trade alerts, get alerted right in here. It looks like that. And swing trade alerts, and it looks like that. So I hope you guys decide to join. This is HOLO. I'm going to keep a close watch on it. Like I said, I don't think it hits the bottom band ATR 4. That's a little too low. I mean, it's at 32 cents. It could, but we'll see. We'll see. But if it does, no matter what, I'm getting in on that. The K is at 9.86 as we speak. It just went down for lower than 10K on the daily, so I'm definitely going to look for this in the 8 zone, because that's when the last time it pumped. I could take it on the middle trend channel here. This is where a lot of the areas have support. So on the middle trend, we're looking at around 45 cents. So we'll see if that happens. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. And I'll see you guys in another video. Happy trading. Peace out. And stay humble, stay blessed, and make tons of profits and good decisions. Peace out.